Hi guys, welcome back to We Can Cook. Today we will be sharing an easy banana bread recipe. To begin, add 2 cups of flour to a bowl. Add 1 teaspoon of baking soda and a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Whisk until combined. Then in a large mixing bowl, add half a cup of softened butter. Then add 1 cup of sugar. Beat it with a hand mixer until it's light and fluffy. Then you want to add 2 eggs, one at a time, mixing well between each egg. In a separate mixing bowl, break 4 bananas into small chunks. The riper your banana is, the sweeter your banana bread will be. Then you want to mash them with a potato masher. Then add 1 teaspoon of milk, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and mix until combined. Now alternate adding your dry ingredients and your banana mixture to your butter mixture. Add 1/3 of the dry ingredients and mix well. Now add half of your banana mixture. Add the second third of your dry ingredients. Add the rest of your banana mixture. And lastly, add the remaining of your dry ingredients. Mix until well combined. Now you want to grease a 9 by 5 inch loaf pan with some butter. Pour in your banana bread batter. You want to make sure to smooth out the top. Bake your banana bread at 350 degrees for an hour and 5 minutes. We hope you enjoy this easy and delicious banana bread recipe. See you guys next time.